Hi, my name is Edin and I will introduce the main things that you have to know about Sarajevo. This is the place where Sarajevo is, and you can come from several main roads, and that is from Zenica. You will see from top. This is the main road. From here it is going a highway, the easiest way to come in Sarajevo, and you will go over the Vogošća, here over Kobilja Glava, Ciglane, and come in Sarajevo. Also, this is the main road which comes from airport. Airport is here, this one, Ilija, and this is the main road to come in Sarajevo. Also that you have to know is where is the train and bus station. Train and bus station are in this place, and it is directly connected with a tram. If you didn't know, the first city in the world who had a tram is Sarajevo. Also, there is a bus station here in Lukavica. If you are coming from Belgrade, the big possibility is to come on this bus station, and this bus station is connected with the transit. Transit is the road which goes in this way. You can follow my mouse, and you will go over the hill, go to this road of Put Mladih Muslimana, and it is fast road, you can go easily, and come, you will turn left here in Sukun Bunar, and in this way where is my mouse goes, you will come to Chobania apartments and the center of Sarajevo. When we are talking about Sarajevo, we can divide Sarajevo in two parts. This part here, the right part, is the old part, old things, old everything, and this one is the new part of Sarajevo. Also here RV, but also this is Sarajevo. Everything but the new buildings, new roads, new everything. That is not too much important for tourists who are coming to the Sarajevo. We are now in the center. From this one to here you need about 15 minutes of walk. It is easy, nice to see, easy walk. There is too much foot area that you can don't care about cars and enjoy in your tourism in Sarajevo. Here is the old part, this Sebil where you see. This is the old part, old tradition, old culture, old architecture, the mosques, and all the way of the Osmanli way to living, and the food, the traditional food, cevapi, pie, sarma, and everything in the links below, and my other posts. You will see the links of the really good food that you have to try in Sarajevo. Here is the BBI Center, one of the shopping malls. You need from Chobani apartment to there about 10 minutes of walk, and this is Sarajevo City Center, also called SCC or Al Shidi Mall, the biggest mall in Sarajevo. I want to introduce you in city transport. The city transport is cheap. It is 1.8 km per one ride for one person. You have to buy it directly in a tram, and you have to check in the check ticket in a machine which is in a tram. Tram station. These are the tram stations. There is a lot of tram stations. Every 200 meters is one tram station. When you go in there is you can see the tram numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5. The tram number 1 is for tourists almost, and it is go in this way. You can follow my mouse, and it is the written number 1 on it, and it goes directly these ways to the railway station. If you are following my mouse, you will see here it is making a circle here and go again in this direction. When you go here, it is 1 and 4. The tram number 1 goes in this on these roads to the city, but the tram number 4 goes in another part of Sarajevo, but makes circuit here. The main important thing is that you are in, for example, in Chobani apartments, you need 4 minutes to go by tram. If you are going in Mostar early morning, you take tram number 1 and easy go to the train station, buy your ticket, and enjoy in your traveling. What I didn't say, you can see this street and this street. These streets are the main streets in Sarajevo. Easy walk, easy enjoy in this street. Here are the best bars, beers, nightlife, etc. And this here street is foot walking street. This one, old part, all architecture, old buildings, churches, museums, and everything that you have to see is there and easy to walk. Thank you for hearing me. I think that my help will help you, that you will understand what you want. There is my number. There is also my email. You can contact me on WhatsApp, Viber, whatever you want, to inform yourself about Sarajevo, how to easy come, and what kind of transport to use. I am telling you again, the city transport is too cheap and the best practice to come. Thank you and see you.